My name is Akarsh Saxena. I am studying class 9th A. My roll number is 90115. My project is fire alarm system. In this, I have connected node MCU, temperature sensor and IR sensor. Normally, in all fire alarm system, only temperature sensor is connected. But I have connected IR sensor also because to increase the efficiency. In computer programming is act on node MCU. Whenever the temperature of room will increase, the the alarm will generate. IR sensor senses the temperature of an object respect with its background. Now I am going to show the live demo of my project. This is node MCU. This is temperature sensor. This is IR sensor, and this is my alarm LED. Now I bring my hand near the IR sensor and the alarm will generate. See, this LED is glow and my alarm is generating. See, when I removing my hand, the alarm will clear. So thank you.